Wish I had one of those and could afford to feed it. Well, looks like I've developed a situation with the headlights here and my other lights. The headlights still work, but the turn signal only works if I jack the handle manually. Well, I guess that's better than nothing. Huh? Yeah. It's trying to blink. I think my flasher's going out. I don't know why the silly camera won't focus properly. Anyway, I've got enough gas to get down the bottom of the hill to Bakersfield. So I gotta jack the handle manually. No brake lights. I never did have good brake lights. I even didn't have those in Florida. But I guess I'm not gonna be driving at night. I don't want to drive at night anyway. I can't see that well anyhow. Okay, well, at least the headlights work. Let's see, the brake lights weren't working last time I checked either. So, but the emergency flashers would work, but now they just quit working. I don't know what's going on. Turn the lights on. No emergency flashers. I think I better turn this lights off. Am I smelling smoke? Am I burning this fuse block down here again? Something burning in there, huh? Feeling warm. Well, that's what you get with a 40-year-old camper. One of those fuses was badly smoked anyway, and I guess that's what it's doing now. I put the 40 ampere in there, and that got me dash lights for a while, but it doesn't look like it's too happy with things right now. Probably, yeah, I think I've got interior lights. That's good. But it's not good if this thing's sending up smoke signals down here. Yeah, that red one's kind of burnt looking down there. Yeah, the red one. The 40 ampere, it wants to burn. I don't know what else is going on here. Pretty warm. That relay's warm. That relay's kind of warm. Oh, that's really hot. And our fuse block is hot. That 40 amp fuse is burning, whatever it is. Yeah. That used to, when I first put fuses in there, ouch, it would run the dash lights and brake lights okay, but now it's smoking something up again. I'm going to have somebody look at that and fix it, huh? Is the rear heater still working? Uh-oh, no rear heater. Front heater still working? Yeah, okay, I got the front heat. That's what's important now, but it's frozen weather up here in Tehachapi. Okay. All right. Well, we'll just deal with it. Okay, brake off and we're ready to go again. All right, put it in gear and off we go. Mr. Gingerbread, you're okay there, huh? All righty. The old kitty boy. Okay. Better pay attention to what I'm doing so I don't get ran over.